Walmart has a dump bin full of monster trucks. Batmobile with big wheels. Wow, Godzilla on wheels. Dodge Charger on a pink. I might take it. Demo Derby 68. Thor's truck. Monster truck collectors, run to Walmart to get these awesome trucks, and it's on sale. Happy hunting!